Hello lovely humans. So I know it's been an unfortunately long time since my last upload. I would like to say I have a valid excuse for this, but I really don't. I'm just very forgetful. But I'm here now. You all asked for a makeup tutorial, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. Also, a quick side note before we get into the video, I would like to let you know that I am going on vacation from Sunday to Saturday next week. This video will be going up on the Monday after I leave, and I will have some pre-recorded TikToks to post while I'm gone, but mostly I'm just going to enjoy my vacation and not really be filming, so there won't be a lot of content for me during that week. As for what we're going to cover in the makeup tutorial today, I'm doing something pretty simple. I really want to focus on showing you my whole process for my eyebrows and eyeliner. And then for the lip look, I'm going to be doing the black top lip you've probably seen if you're on alternative TikTok. Actually, for a couple of years now, every time I've taken off my makeup, I always do my bottom lip first when I'm wearing a black lipstick. And every time I've done it, I've gone, hey, this is actually kind of a look when I've just got my top lip, but I've never posted it anywhere. And then it became a trend on alt TikTok, and I was like, this is my time to shine. Yeah, I really like this look. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just the best thing to me. So I would like to show you guys how I at least do that today. Also, I'm sorry if I look shiny. It's like 25 degrees Celsius where I live right now. So yeah, I'm not having a good time. I'm Canadian. I don't do the heat. So I'm not having fun. Okay, I've wasted enough time. Let's just get into it. Alright, as I've stated in a previous video, I'm a massive cheater when it comes to eyeliner. I use tape to get the wings straight. So I'm just going to put that on. Okay, basically I just take the tape and I make sure it's under my eyelashes. You definitely don't want to get tape on top of your eyelashes. I just kind of slide it under and then line it up so that it's at the angle I want. Okay. And then we repeat on the other side. And I at least try to get the angles like roughly the same. I don't always succeed, but I try my best. So now that I look like a complete clown, it's time to continue. Okay, a fly just came into my room, so I'm sorry if you can hear it buzzing around, but it won't leave. So normally to do my eyeliner, I'd use my precious Black Cat liquid lipstick and my little pointy brush, but my lipstick is hardcore dying right now. So I'm just going to use this. I honestly can't tell what brand it is anymore because it's faded off, but it's just this weird little like ballpoint eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And I'm just going to show you how I do it with this one today. To do my eyeliner, I use one of those magnifying mirrors that reminds you you're not as pretty as you think you are, just so that I can, you know, make sure I know what's happening on my eyeball. So starting in the outer corner, I just drag it along where I want the wing to be, using like kind of a lot of pressure, just to make sure I get that pigmentation. And then I go in and fill in this part. And I usually don't bring my eyeliner all the way down to the inner corner of my eye because I like it to look quite open. But when I do, I usually do that with my eye open, and I just kind of use the very tip of the eyeliner and just put it kind of through my lashes. I don't know if that makes sense, but I hope it did. And then I'm just gonna do the same thing on this eye. The last thing I do with my eyeliner is pat it down with a black eyeshadow. Most liquid liners don't mattify to the degree that I would like them to, so I take black eyeshadow on my little pointy brush and just pack it on to the eyeliner, like so. When did this line get here? I did not see that happen. There's no way I can fix that. Also, while I'm using the eyeshadow to mattify the eyeliner, I use it because it is quite a fine detail brush just to fix any issues with the top line. Alright, so last step before I remove the tape is mascara. I do the mascara before I remove the tape just so I can really get on the outer lashes without worrying about the mascara getting on my skin. And now we take off the tape. Probably should have said this at the beginning when I started this step, but if you have sensitive skin, this is highly not recommended, especially I'm using electrical tape. Probably not the best idea. I personally have never had any problems with it, but again, if you do have sensitive skin, especially if the skin around your eyes tends to get irritated, I wouldn't recommend this. You can hold up something flat like a ruler or another brush to your eye to get that line if you need to. And the fruit of our labor is revealed, deep black wings that could cut a bitch. And then when I'm doing simple wings like this, I also just run a little bit of black eyeshadow along underneath the eye, just to kind of give the eye a bigger appearance and make it a little more dramatic. Alright, brow time. I'm about to fully expose myself for my messy ass brow process, but I will do it for all of you. Alright, so I've explained this a little bit in previous videos, but I haven't really shown the whole process. But for my brows, I just use this little flat brush and a brown eyeshadow. I'm just going to show you time-lapsed how I actually do the brows because I really don't know how to explain it. One thing I do want to note is to make sure you tap off your brush frequently if you are doing your brows with eyeshadow. It's very, very easy to use way too much. And yeah, you just want to make sure you have a very little bit on your brush. It's always better to build up than have to take away. Lastly, for my eyebrows, I take a little bit of white eyeshadow on a flat brush and use that to carve out my notch a little more. There we go. There's the eyebrows all done. I realize they're quite bold for this makeup look. Usually I'm wearing, as most of you probably know, much darker, heavier makeup, so I kind of do the brows to fit with that look. This is more of a technique than a look video, so they're a little out of place right now, but it would be better if I had my whole shebang on. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, we are going to do the black one lip look thing. So first thing, get yourself some Vaseline and a tissue to wipe it off when you're done, and just cover your bottom lip in a thin coat of Vaseline so that while you are doing your upper lip, no lipstick gets on the bottom lip. I find the best place to start with this look is carving out the shape of the top of the upper lip. And surprising no one to do this, I'm going to use my little pointy paintbrush friend. I just take the tip of the lipstick applicator and just get a little bit on either side of the brush like that. One side done. and the other side done. And once you've got the top outlined, I like to kind of outline across the bottom again of the top lip. Also, I realize it doesn't look like it because of how stained this brush is, but I swear I wash it between using it on my eyes and using it on my lips, don't worry. And then you can just take a little bit of tissue and wipe off the Vaseline and any lipstick that got on it. Just like magic. Now, you can just sit there with your mouth open waiting for the lipstick to dry if you want to make sure absolutely nothing gets on your bottom lip. Or you can just accept the fact that a little bit's gonna get on your bottom lip and live with it, your choice. Usually I do wait so none gets on my bottom lip, but I kind of have a time constraint on filming this, so. Alright, I'm gonna put on some highlighter, my choker, etc., and I will be right back. And here it is. Looks a little better now that I've got my hair down, doesn't it? If you want to see how I do this cross, you can find a video linked on the card in one of these corners. With steps on how I do that. But aside from that, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around, and if you are brand new to this channel, I humbly invite you to subscribe. I try to have a good time around here. You can also find me on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram, all of which will be linked in the description. If you would like to know about any of the products I used in this video, those will also be linked in the description below. Once again, on the Monday when this uploads, I will be on vacation already and I will be gone until the Saturday. There will be some pre-recorded content on my TikTok. From other than that, you probably won't be hearing from me much. When I get back, I hope to have more music content coming soon, as well as some more makeup, and I'm thinking about doing another Q&A, so if you're interested in any of that, please let me know in the comments down below. And that's about all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!